Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the No Bowl Slime Challenge. Well, the last video footage deleted, so mine is already colored, and she's not doing the No Bowl Slime Challenge because she's scared to, I guess.
No, I'm not. I just don't want to.
And we're both going to be using contact solution because I don't have any borax made.
Where's the contact solution?
Somewhere. I don't know.
Is it in there?
I don't know. It's your contact solution. But we're both going to use hers because I have 2 more bottles. So if she runs out, it's going to be all good. And we're almost out of shaving cream. I don't know. So I'm going to go get the shaving. Okay, so I'm going to just be using some hand soap right now.
And I guess you're not going to be activating your slime.
Well, you know you're on camera.
Yeah, but I guess you're not going to be activating your slime.
Glue.
Because you don't have anything to activate.
I can just make some borax. She has she's too scared to do it on the table.
No, I'm not. I just don't want to do it on the table.
Clara,
There's not enough room.
Clara, it's your contact solution. Go get it. Oh wait, no. In the hobby room, my box is in there, and you can get the thing. What? Yes. Ugh. I'm just mixing right now. Add some more.
This is not mine, but whatever.
That's not yours. It's mine. I know. So let me use that. You can't do it with no shaving cream. You have to have baking soda.
I got up and got it.
Did you put shaving cream?
No, I'm going to.
There's none, so you can't. So our slimes won't activate if we don't have shaving cream or baking soda. So this is probably not going to work unless I make borax. Because Clara won't. She'll want me to. Yep, it's already not working. Clara wouldn't have had to get her thing anyway because it's not working anyways.
Stop using so much.
It's mine. I can use how much I want.
Mine's coming together. So it might work. I don't think it
Can you
will.
make some borax?
Lady, you got like 2 little kids.
We are 2 little kids.
I was wondering if you would catch that.
Right?
No, it won't.
I know, but I'm just gonna do it.
Wait, let me put some. Because it's kind of like shaving cream, except it's soap.
Wait, show me.
So we've got some Mr. Bubble here that we use in slime.
And it is for back.
Like an activator, because it's like shaving cream, except it's supposed to be a moldable,
kinda
buildable.
working.
It's supposed to be a moldable, buildable soap, and it does work as if you have contact solution, it works with contact solution. I didn't think it would, but it is. Mine's an ugly color, but comment down below if we should do the no hand slime challenge. Nana, don't say that on YouTube.
Hey, I need some help.
And as you know,
You just got it all blue.
I did say the last video footage deleted. That's because it did. And that was not on
put the wrong lid
purpose,
on.
but oh, she put the glitter lid from glitter on her
It fit,
gallon.
though. It fit.
So this isn't the only slime I'm going to get out of it. Of course, I have to need the rest on the table. This is actually not too bad of a color.
Mine isn't. Only I don't like pink, but it's not that bad of a color.
I don't like pink. I
To
like
some people.
I like
I like
pink on Cancer Day. Why are you going in her room?
I'm going to get her dirty clothes.
Oh. I don't have any in my dirty clothes basket. and my stepsister, just so you know. I don't think she watched my video yesterday. But I said something about how she would be in trouble if something. But I don't remember what I said. So, yeah. Go watch that video, stepsister, and
know what she said.
to know why she's gonna get in trouble. And comment down below. And also, I'm not gonna reveal her name yet. But also go subscribe to her when I reveal her name.
It'll be in her description.
In my next video, I'll reveal her name.
So look out for that. Look out for my next video. It's gonna be tomorrow. Turn on post notifications. It's gonna be tomorrow. Because it's every day.
Also,
dude.
Also, go subscribe to Clara. And yeah, I'll be right back when our slime's, not just because borax is better, but I do not like the way contact solution makes slime. I mean, this would already be fully activated from borax, but with contact solution, it gets all sticky and goopy. Give me the contact solution.
Hey,
I
that's a
can't
good
get it.
color.
Yeah, I know.
I kind of like this.
I don't.
Oops, I got it on your arm.
Claire always gets slime all over me, if you didn't know.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
Hey, I need that.
Well, it's mine, so. See how long this is taking to activate? I know I just added a lot while ago, but still, it takes forever, even
I'm not
after
putting
you
mine
add
on the
a lot.
table because you're like making a big mess. Brenna, you're getting it all over me.
Okay, guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Sorry, the camera just fell. That's going to be the end of the video because I'm about out of space. Move your hands.
No, you're getting all over me.
Stop!
Stop it!
Anyways, that's going to be the end of the video. That's going to be the end of the video because I'm almost out of space and because these slimes are not activated. Bye!